Welcome to the Locum CPA Podcast, where I talk about the business of being a Locum Tenens medical professional. I'm Stephen Lee, a certified public accountant based out of Chicago, Illinois. Today's question comes from a new resident graduate who's just started applying for locums work. They recently formed a single-member LLC, but are wondering if switching to an S-Corp might be the better choice. And if you're asking yourself the same thing, stay tuned because I'm breaking down the pros and cons to help you decide. First, let's talk about LLCs. All right, so you've already taken the first step by setting up a single-member LLC or PLLC, depending on your state requirements. That's a great start. An LLC provides limited liability protection, keeping your personal assets separate from your business assets, which is crucial when working independently. As a single-member LLC or PLLC, the IRS considers you a disregarded entity, meaning your business income passes directly to your personal tax return. This setup simplifies your taxes since you only need to file a Schedule C with your 1040. So what's the appeal of an S-Corp election? Now let's look at the S-Corp election. By choosing to have your LLC taxed as an S-Corporation, you could potentially reduce your self-employment taxes, which cover Social Security and Medicare. Here's how it works. As an S-Corp, you're required to pay yourself a reasonable salary, which is subject to payroll taxes. Any income beyond that reasonable salary can be distributed as a dividend, which is not subject to self-employment taxes. This can lead to significant savings as your locum's income grows. And if you're a locum professional, you don't want to miss my top tax tips for starting and operating your locum's practice. I'll pin a link in the comment section below. It's not always a clear-cut win for S-Corps. Before you make the switch, there are a few things to consider. Managing an S-Corp comes with extra requirements. You'll need to run payroll, file quarterly payroll tax returns, and submit an annual S-Corp tax return, the Form 1120S. And if you're just starting out and your income is lower, these added responsibilities might outweigh the tax savings. The million-dollar question is, when should you consider switching? A good rule of thumb is consider the S-Corp election if your locum's income is high enough to justify the payroll taxes and additional administrative costs. Many experts recommend this change when net income, that's basically your total revenue minus your business expenses, hits around $75,000 to $100,000, that range between $75,000 and $100,000. Below that threshold, the cost and effort of maintaining an S-Corp might not be worth it. So deciding between an LLC and S-Corp is a personal choice that depends on your income, future goals, and willingness to handle added paperwork. That's where a CPA who understands the locum lifestyle can be a game changer. They'll assess your current income and project future earnings to help you make the right call. So to recap, sticking with an LLC can be the best option when you're just starting out, thanks to its simplicity and ease of use. But as your income grows, switching to an S-Corp may offer significant tax savings. I hope this helped you on your journey. If you found this video podcast helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of my channel content for insights in the business side of being a Locum Tenens professional. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.